What's up, guys? Kevin here, Pilot 509. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I took a friend, a coworker, up flying. It was his first time ever in a plane, and it was a privilege for me to give him a taste of aviation. So please take a minute and watch this video and watch how happy, how excited he was during the whole flight, the experience that he had to see being up there and have a bird's eye view of the buildings and the town where we live in. So if you have not done so, please do consider to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to comment and tell me what is it you want to see in this channel so that I can go ahead and provide more greater content for y'all. Unfortunately, the camera failed to record the cockpit audio. But here I was showing my friend the downtown area of Clarksville from up there, and also where we live in our town. As always, whenever I have someone flying with me for the first time, I let them feel the yoke, feel the plane, turn it left and right, and see how sensitive the plane is. But boy, did he enjoy it. He was smiling from one side to the next. And I tell you, after the fly, he wouldn't stop thanking me for letting him try it, for letting him fly the plane for just a couple of minutes. And after a good 30 minutes or so of flying, we came back and landed. It was a great experience for him, and also a great privilege for me to have given him a taste of flying, a taste of aviation.